Hi there, I'm Christy with WTI. In the wintertime, I really struggle with dry skin, and that includes my scalp. So I recently made the switch to Head & Shoulders, and within a week's time, my dry scalp started to improve. It works really well. Now, this is the first time I've tried this particular line in Head & Shoulders. I like it because it is geared toward women. So this is the Argan Oil and Rose Essence scent. I really do like the scent. I was a little unsure because of the rose. Sometimes floral scents are too much for me, but I don't find that with this particular scent. This lathers really well. It doesn't weigh my hair down. I feel like it gives it just the right level of moisture without it being too much. There's no parabens, dyes, phosphates, phthalates. So if you struggle with a dry scalp like I do, you should definitely check it out. It is incredibly effective. But that's just my point of view.